Downloading your account data from Yahoo Mail is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to retrieve your information easily. Step 1. Sign into Yahoo Mail. Go to the Yahoo Mail website and enter your email address and password to log into your account. Step 2. Access account info. Once logged in, click on your profile name or icon in the upper right corner. From the drop-down menu, select Account Info. Step 3. Navigate to Data and Permissions. In the Account Info section, look for Data and Permissions on the left sidebar. Click on it to access your data options. Step 4. Request your data. Under Data and Permissions, find the option that says Download your data or request a copy of your data. Click on it and follow the prompts to initiate the download process. Step 5. Download the data. After your request is processed, you will receive an email notification when your data is ready. Follow the link in the email to download your account data. Now you have successfully downloaded your Yahoo Mail account data. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to reach out to Yahoo support.